Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, please let me thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me person of active or article with title Identification of Oral Language Development Disorder in Elementary School Student at Risk of Dyslexia. Here I will present my article with the names of the author Dwi Saputra, Harun Joko Prayitno, Dila Fadila. Next. List of contents, introduction, methods, result and discussion, conclusion. Next, introduction. Children are individual in the process of growth and development with unique rhythms. Mastery of spoken language is very important in play development, influenced by parenting and parental communication. However, some children face spoken language disorder that impacts academics ability, especially at the primary school level, such as dyslexia. Dyslexia, a learning disorder related to difficult reading, and chronology affect a children affect neurological function and literacy. Early detection by teacher, parents, and health professional is essential to prevent bearing in oral language development. Research show that spoken language disorder contribute to poor reading and reading skill, with contribute factors such as neural dysfunction, developmental delay, and lack of environmental support. This study aims to help teachers understand and manage language development disorder in children at risk of dyslexia in both special and mainstream school. Next. Method. This study has a qualitative approach with the research subject being teacher and 26 Freud grade students. The object of this study is the identification of spoken language development in elementary school students with dyslexia. Data was collected through interview, observation, and documentation. Data analysis was conducted based on CIDL 1998 steps, including recording information with coder, grouping and classifying data, processing to find patterns and product general findings. Next, table 1, characteristic of respondent based on speaking ability. This study examines spoken language disorder in Freud grade student at MI Muhammadiyah Gunilan Kartasura based on interview with teacher and observation student were Freud to exhibit spoken language disorder such as positive lacks of communication with friends and confusion when receiving oral instruction. The identification threshold and present and in the following table. The ability to talk to people around is low because students rarely communicate and have a sense of some craft. The role of parents and social environment is very important in training children speaking English, speaking skill. What spoken language skill student will have influently communicating with family and sociality. The ability to talk to the teacher is low because students feel uncomfortable with affects their interest in learning and adjustment in the class. The ability to speak with classmates is low because students feel insecure, influenced by self-compression and poor social experience. Project-based learning strategy can help students improve their speaking skill and train them to express their idea orally. The ability to talk to parents is quite good. Although some students feel in pride and lack confidence. A good relationship between parents and children can improve student communication and motivation to learn, making them for more confident and open in sharing the activity. The ability to speak with of the in quite good. Some students feel less confidence. Responding to students' story can improve speaking skill. In general, student ability to text to friend is good. Although it is affected by insecurity, lack of confidence, and actually. Next, table 2, characteristic of respondent based on social skill. Student social skills are at a low level, possible due to awareness or discomfort in a larger environment. Parental support is very important to increase children confidence is social interaction. The family acts as the phrase confinement to provide attention, guidance, and good example in speaking, reading, and reading skill which support the children's overall development. Next, table 3, characteristic of respondent based on language comprehension. Student language comprehension is good despite difficult in reading or writing. Good literacy skill heavy comprehension will lack of confidence can hinder language interaction and comprehension. Next, table 4, table of questionnaire result of dyslexia students' ability to speak. Based on the characteristic of student ability from various category, two students were identified as having impaired oral language development of as follows. The questionnaire results showed that two dyslexia students has difficult in communication, especially in talking to friends, teacher, and parents. This difficult is caused by problem with basic education, loss of motivation, and parental guidance. Next. The following is a table of analysis criteria used in calculating student ability level scores in several categories. The identification results show that two students were that to have impaired oral language development and dyslexia, especially in socializing with the improvement. Next, table 6, profile of dyslexia student. The identification result showed that two students were the data to have impaired oral language development and dyslexia, especially in socializing with the improvement. Interaction skill, speaking skill are important for social communication, yet I lacks focus in learning due to low reading, writing, and cognitive skill. External learning motivation. External motivation is essential for students, especially from family, to support their passion for learning. Lack of support can hinder academic process, while motivation from the environment helps students stay active and engaged in learning. Learning internal learning motivation. Internal learning motivation is important for student independence, and parental and teacher support can improve cognitive ability and support learning ability. The cognitive development of primary school student is gradual, so guidance from teacher and parents is very important. Comparison between teacher and parent affect learning progress, especially for dyslexia student. How are slow in processing information. This has an impact on student academic performance and enthusiasm from learning. Next, the following are the result of tests conducted by research to determine students who are identified as having disorder in the development of spoken language in the student at risk of dyslexia as follows. Diagram 1, diagram of the result of dyslexia student in recording, letter, and reading. Getting to know the letter abjad, the result of the letter recording, recordation, and reading skill test slower than ID, had difficult in reading lower class letter, especially Q, and often written larger Q, indicating dyslexia. In addition, AI had more significant difficult unable to recognizing and read but level calls and suppress letter of the idle. Diphthongs and dysgraph. The result of the diphthong and dysgraph later reorganizing the test showed that AD had difficult reading words such as autodidact due to confusion in pronunciation, while II often speak in it wrong and had difficulty with foreign words. Stable and word spelling. ID and II showed good ability in reading stable and spelling words. They did do not take long to mention to example and spelling gift. Reading is an activity that helps students recording letters, words, table, and contact the read sound. Next, and reading. AD has difficult in listening and stringing word into sentence, especially in reading words such as for, many, and medium. This show the importance of using learning strategies that are tailored to the needs of dyslexia students. Will AI can read sentence will although there are still error in reading the word very. Reading is a activity to plot ideal into reading mathematical with improve technical skill and the ability to this critical so that information can be clearly understood. Disorder experienced by grade student at MI Muhammadiyah Gonilan, especially so relate to spoken language development and dyslexia need to the address with special heading. Effort made include an personal approach and providing additional house to help with reading difficult. Collaboration between homeroom teacher and parent is also important to provide consistent support at home. Next, conclusion. The study confirmed that identification of spoken language improvement in students at risk of dyslexia is critical to prevent the development of the disorder. Dyslexia affects student reading, reading, and social, cognitive, and emotional development. The use of learning strategy that suit student needs and the provision of motivation from internal and external factor can support their development. Support from family, friend, and the environment also help to increase the enthusiasm from learning and every calm reading and reading difficult. Dyslexia student take longer to respond to spoken information, so the role of parent and teacher is very important in providing the right approach to help develop their ability. So that's all for my presentation. I am sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.